Hello, I am Dr. Ashutosh Barve. I am a liver specialist who specializes in the care of liver cancer patients at UFL Health. Well, my mother was a doctor, and also my grandfather. Her father was also a doctor, and I think the two of them certainly inspired me to become one. I used to accompany my mother for her. She used to be an old-style general practitioner. She would do visits and so on, and I would, at night, accompany her to these visits to see patients, and certainly that inspired me. But then as I went into school, I started liking the biology and chemistry and so on. So it was a natural choice for me. Yeah, broadly speaking, I'm an expert in liver diseases, specifically liver cirrhosis and patients who are approaching liver transplantation. So I see liver transplant candidates as well as I see patients after liver transplant sometime. But mainly my focus is actually liver cancer. So I'm the very few physicians in the country really who is a liver specialist but is also a specialist in liver cancer. And actually I see patients with liver cancer and I treat patients with liver cancer, which is actually quite a rare combination. Liver cancer is usually found in people who have liver cirrhosis. In the United States, nearly 90% of people who have liver cancer have also liver cirrhosis. So it is very useful for my patients to see an expert who is not only an expert in liver disease, but also an expert in liver cancer. I think for me, the patient is paramount. So when I'm sitting in the room with the patient, I can say that I'm probably the most interested person in the world in the patient's problems. Putting my thought in trying to solve those problems while I'm sitting in that room with the patient is how I look at patient care, is to give my patient 100% when I'm talking to them and listening to them. To some extent, I have to say a lot of my family members complain that my profession is my passion. There's no question about that. But sometimes when I find myself with some free time, which is not very common, I like to travel. So that is not happening as often nowadays, but usually we'll take some time to travel around the country as well as abroad. So I've been to a lot of places and have cherished the memories of traveling with my family to these places.